Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the transaction details, exact amount, merchant, date, and whether it shows as completed. Once done, gather evidence, order ID, screenshots, bank statement lines, and the card or UPI ID used. Next, open the Google Pay activity for that transaction and tap the transaction to access support options. Choose either Request Refund from Merchant or Report a Problem. Do this now so the clock starts on merchant response times and any dispute windows remain open. You should contact the merchant immediately. Use the in-app contact or their provided support channel and clearly state your refund reason with evidence attached. If the merchant fails to respond within their stated timeframe, escalate by using Google Pay's Report a Problem feature and upload screenshots, receipts, and bank entries. Make sure to choose the correct dispute category and include dates. If needed, call your bank or card issuer to place a provisional chargeback. This protects you while the apps and merchant investigate. You finish by monitoring the refund status in Google Pay and your bank. Refunds can take several business days depending on the method. If the refund doesn't appear, reopen the dispute in-app, send follow-up messages to the merchant, and call your bank with your dispute reference number. Make sure to keep every message and timestamp. That evidence is essential if you must escalate to a chargeback or regulatory complaint. One troubleshooting tip: if timelines lapse, immediately notify your bank. Sometimes they can still assist with a retroactive reversal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.